What's up guys, this is Nick here from Everything Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on your Nexus 6. Now yes, this is locked, so if you're trying to root it, sometimes you might have a problem uploading the ROM or getting the ROM to boot. So what you're going to need is obviously your Nexus 6, and then you're going to need your USB cable to plug the Nexus 6 into the computer. But I'm going to show you the steps right here in this video how to unlock the bootloader. Now this video is not going to explain how to set up the Android SDK and the terminal command, the ADB debug bridge system. It's not going to show you how to do that. I'm assuming that you already know, you already have the Android SDK set up. If you don't, you can just quickly Google how to do that, or find it all over the web. It's pretty simple and easy to do. But in this video, let's unlock the bootloader on your Nexus 6 step by step. I want you to go into your Nexus 6 and go down into settings, down here under settings, and go all the way down to about phone and tap on the build number 5 times if you're not a developer until it enables to be a developer. Then you want to go to developer options and you want to scroll down until you see USB debugging. Make sure USB debugging is ticked on, and then scroll down till you get to OEM unlocking and make sure that is ticked on. This is very important that OEM unlocking is ticked on, as well as USB debugging. And then we're going to put the phone to the side right now. Alright guys, so you have the ADB SDK installed on your computer. So you're going to want to go into the Windows key and find wherever your file system is, your file explorer if it's on Windows 10. And then what you want to do is you want to locate where it is. In my particular case, I put it in the C drive so it was easy to find. So under the C drive, you're going to see my Android SDK, and I also renamed this folder Android SDK. You can do that by double clicking and then just renaming. That's pretty simple. But if we go into the Android SDK, you're going to see platform tools right here. You're going to want to click platform tools right there. And at this point, I'm going to want you to put your USB cable in the computer. Okay, now that we're in the file explorer, we're going to take our Nexus 6 and we're going to take the USB and we're going to plug it into the computer. Find your USB jack on the computer and plug it in right away. So once you do that, you should see on your device USB debugging connected. Make sure it is enabled at the USB options is at MTP, just like that. Okay guys, now that we have the Nexus 6 plugged into the computer and USB debugging enabled, and we are in our Android SDK wherever you located the platform tools folder, we're going to hit shift and we're going to hit the right click on the mouse, or however you right click on the device that you're using. And then we're going to open the command window. And as you can see, it'll say Android Platform Tools. And then what you want to type is ADB space reboot hyphen bootloader. And then hit enter. And it should be rebooting your Nexus 6 into the bootloader. Okay guys, now in your Nexus 6, you should be in the bootloader. It should look something similar to this. Now mine is already unlocked because I've already done this, but it's still going to work for the purposes of the video. The next step is going to be another command from your terminal command if you're on a Mac, or from the CMD command prompt on the Windows device. But if it doesn't get to this point right here, make sure you have the drivers properly installed and the ADB interface properly installed. Like I say, this is not a video discussing that. This is just how to unlock the bootloader. But make sure those are installed if you're having any troubles getting to this point. Alright guys, now that you're in your bootloader, we're going to go back to the terminal command and we're going to type in, after the platform tools, we're going to type in fastboot, make sure that's spelled correctly, space, OEM, space, unlock. Hit enter. And on my device, it's asking me to transition back because I already had unlocked it. But on your device, I'm going to go to this quick Google Chrome image. It should look something like that right there. And it should say unlock bootloader, and then just hit yes. Now make sure your files are backed up, and that should unlock your bootloader on the Nexus 6. And after you had hit the, unlock the bootloader, you can unplug your USB cord. And once you power up you're going to see this little unlock sign on your Nexus 6. That is letting you know that your bootloader is unlocked. Now your phone will be wiping all the data once you've done that, so make sure you back up before you do this. So I hope that helped you guys unlock the bootloader on your Nexus 6. If it did, please go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up down below. If there was anything that was difficult to understand, be sure to comment down below. I'll try to help you out as much as possible. If you would like to see an improvement on the how-to videos, if it was a little difficult to understand, please be sure to go ahead and let me know. Give me some feedback so I can make the future videos, easier to understand. Anyways, subscribe if you like this kind of content. I also have videos on, iPhones, Nexuses, what's on my Android, things like that, of that nature. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.